So we will have a change in daycare, and this change will start on Thursday. All centers beginning on Thursday must operate under a temporary pandemic child care license.
So it was a typical day on, let's say, a Tuesday, and then Wednesday we found out we were being closed down and becoming a pandemic center. Pandemic center meaning that we were going to be functioning still as a child care center, but for essential workers.
So one day we're operating with 65 children in the building, and the next day we have like 4.
So for our families who were able to remain, it was very important to us that the children stay in their routines.
The parents leaned on us a whole lot. They'd leaned on us before, but they leaned on us big time during this pandemic.
And with me working the job that I work and seeing so many sick kids and seeing how things can go just from a simple cold, it makes me comfortable to bring my premature children here and know that everyone is taking the proper steps to make sure that they stay healthy and safe and happy.
And it was invaluable to have the Y open during the pandemic for us as healthcare workers.
The Y is so important to the Akron community. These parents know when they drop their kids off, they're dropping them off to family.
I really felt like I had my cape on when it was time to do virtual learning. It was challenging, but yet it was a necessary means to get the children where it was that they needed to go. Because although this is another new norm, the bottom line is you have to be ready to go to school and be prepared for the next level whenever that next level would come to us.
There were times when I had to go talk to a teacher and be like, we don't understand what's going on, can you please help us? And the educators appreciated that the staff was there, that they were invested, that they were asking for help, so that way the kids could stay as much as possible on task, stay up to date with their schoolwork, and the kids were really, really grateful for it. There are kids in the community who it is not the best choice for them to be at home all day. They need to be somewhere where there's adults and staff who can help them, where they can get their meals, where they can have support, where they can have someone to help them through their schoolwork. And I think it was so important that the Y had our doors open for kids in those situations.
The community reached out to us during that time, and we weren't going anywhere. We were here for their needs and for their kiddos.
If there isn't a safe haven for people to go to, what then? We're either going to supply one, or we're going to wonder if there's going to be one. And I think for the future, we have learned in this, with this pandemic happening to us all, there has to be a safe haven. And that's who we are.